Hello friends, welcome to the computer connection. My name is Gaurav Kumar. Hope you all are good. So today I will show you how to improve Wi-Fi signal in Windows 11. So we will see easy steps and you don't need to do any hard work and you don't need to install any software. Just try this, it will definitely help you. So first of all, right click on this PC, then click on show more options, then click on manage. After that, click on device manager and extend the network adapters, then double click your adapters. After that, select the advanced, and here you have to find the roaming aggressiveness, then click on it, and here you can select according to your requirement. Like I am selecting here medium high, then click on OK. And it will definitely improve your Wi-Fi signal. So that's all about this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching.